In this video, we're going to show you how VTMS replaced the original speaker's audio with an untimed voiceover recording. After both the transcription and translation have been uploaded, we can start uploading voiceover recording. VTMS will automatically split the audio into segments. We can click on the speaker's name to check if they are split correctly.
La localización significa traducir y adaptar un producto o servicio a un idioma, cultura o mercado geográfico particular.
On each segment, we can see some data. This one represents the length of the original speaker's audio track for this sentence. This represents the length of the localized voiceover recording that we just uploaded. Finally, this duration is the difference between the original and the localized audio track. The percentage next to this duration is what our dubbing technology referenced to when processing the synchronization. Next, all we need to do is to go to Sync and Mixing page. Here, we can adjust some parameters in settings. Essentially, our platform offers different options to speed up or slow down video and audio to sync untimed voice recordings. We usually keep it at default and let VTMS automatically synchronize the audio and video files for us. After it's finished, we can see the preview of the dubbed video.
Entonces, ¿qué es la localización? En el mundo de la tecnología de la información, la localización significa traducir y adaptar un producto o servicio a un idioma, cultura o mercado geográfico particular.
This is a simple demonstration of how our technology works to complete an automatic dubbing process.